Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to backtest your strategy on TradingView. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, simply use the search bar and you need to simply launch that particular chart which you want to basically backtest. Now after launching the chart, the next thing that you need to do is to simply click on the option of bar replay. Now for the bar replay option to basically work, you need to have the TradingView premium subscription. If you don't have it, you need to get it by clicking on this 30-day free trial. So you will be able to use TradingView for the next 30 days absolutely for free. You just have to provide your payment details though. You can cancel it if you want to do it after 30 days. So once you have it, you just have to simply just click on the option of replay, and then you need to just simply select that particular candle from where you want to start the back testing. So when you just click on that, you are going to see the candle starting from that particular level that you have selected. In the bottom, you are going to see these types of sections as well. So here you can just simply click on the option of play and the chart is going to be played something like this. You can also change the speed over here. You can also click on the option of trade on the top right hand corner, and then you can add paper trading over here. This way you will get the buy and the sell options. In the right hand side, you will see all of the tools that you can use in order to backtest your strategy. So you need to just simply keep on applying the tools over here. After that, you can simply just either forward it with the help of it, or you can just simply click on this particular play button in order for the candle to play. And this way you can basically just keep on back testing your strategy on TradingView. If this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.